Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome to my channel. In today's project, I'll be doing this. I have used dyes in this one, and then I have used acrylic inks in the background. Then I used this stamp and colored it. Then I used lots of glitter stencils and things like that. So I'm hoping that you will definitely will enjoy making this project. So if you have the stuff, you can grab everything and join me doing this project. I'm going to first die cut this and then make it ready. For the background, I'm using this acrylic inks. These three colors I'm using. And then I'm going to first put this dark pink. I'm adding more because I want nice dark color, so I'm going to put many layers as possible to get that rich pink and red color. Then you can use sponge or you can even use brush, and I'm using this pink color of dilutions. It's an acrylic paint. And mixing that color with this dark pink so it will become rich. Then I'm adding yellow so I can get orange in there. I'm going to let everything dry. Then I'm using white acrylic paint and then blending all these on one side of the page so that it's dark on one side and lighter on the other side. Now I'm going to use this stencil and add more colors and spread it out. Now I'm using this glitter fig. It's like a glittered glue kind of a thing, so I'm going to add that. I'm going to apply it on the stencil. So this will give a different texture. It dries very quickly, so now I'm going to put stamp on the top. Now I'm going to stick this die which I cut it. And I have colored this stamp. This stamp is from Stampendius, so I have colored it and then fussy cut it. This is the stamp I used. Then now I'm going to cut the X's. And I'm sticking the quote on the page. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. I have posted the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Have a nice day. Bye.